Hi guys, so this week started out a little bit low for me. As I transitioned from last week to this week, I was feeling a little low and I couldn't figure out why. But as I was looking through my gallery, I realized that it was around this time that I was going off to see my mother abroad, and it was a bittersweet trip as it was just me and the baby, and it was the first time traveling with just me and the baby, and we were going to see her because she wasn't well. And when we got there, it was a great meeting. Like, it was so nice and refreshing to see her, but at the same time it was a little sad because she looked a lot different from the last time I had seen her a couple months before. It was a stressful time because you try to remain optimistic, but at the same time reality is standing in front of you, and it is hard to balance both feelings at the same time when what you're seeing in front of you looks a certain way, but you're trying within yourself to remain optimistic that things will work themselves out. Unfortunately, it didn't work itself out, but here I am a year later, still trying to work through those feelings. So I encourage someone today: 1, do not take your health for granted, and 2, try to find a way to regulate your feelings. Feel your feelings as they come and don't try to bottle them up like I do, because bottling up everything exploded on me once I went into some quiet time, and I am now trying to climb out of that space. And as I said to someone this week, when you hit rock bottom, the only way to go is up. So I'm trying. This is my season of trying to go up. And here on the screen you'll see some messages that I got from some people, and I appreciate them, but at the same time I know at the time when they were sending them, I was not strong. I was just bottling up everything and ignoring the feelings and pushing myself deeper and deeper into depression. Now, for those of you who don't believe in depression and you feel like it is a something spiritual, pray for me. I pray that you will never have to feel this kind of feeling yourself. Anyways guys, see you in the next